Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt this program to bring you important news.
Zm26, another one of these metal guns. Let's take a look. Very familiar design. All metal interior. Quite nice hammer detail. See that? Plastic trigger. Plastic mag. Let's load this mag. Simply slide down the spring. Is that there? Push it across to one side. And then just put the ammo in the top. Manually feed it. Doesn't take long. Doesn't hold that many. Just fill it up to the top. Couple more. I can squeeze one more into there. Release it. Now with these cheap all metal guns, there is no safety, so it's just a matter of slide back. Accuracy is incredible, power is incredible. This I would say is the best one out of the metal guns apart from the Glock. See if I can hit the post. Every time. Fantastic. I'm almost lost for words. This is a great gun. I think it's on the website for little money, and it feels great. The weight's great. Yes, it's got a plastic mag, plastic trigger. This is it's actually metal, I think. Actually, no plastic, but because of the metal interior, I guess the metal inside. Accuracy is great, power's great, distance great. I haven't got anything bad to say about it apart from a couple of plastic bits. Are we out of ammo? Yeah, we're out of ammo. Great, take a look. That's the 26. Yeah, the Zm26. For the money, you've got to get that. That's fantastic.